Hey everyone. So it's leftover Thursday still. You see on my last video I used up a bunch of blues. This video I'm going to use up an olive green. This is Arteza orange. And I had some black left over and some white left over. But I do have other white here too. I'm going to be using Deco Art Splendid Gold. This is Artist Loft Yellow Ochre. Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue hue, and this is Soho Red Ochre. So it's going to be a little southwesterny. I'm going to definitely be using a lot of black, and I think we're just going to do a dirty pour. I was going to do flip cups, but I'm afraid the orange will take over. So let's do a dirty pour, and it'll be 2 cups, or should I do 3 little ones? Let's do 3 little ones. I think that should be enough paint. Yeah. Okay. Let me slide that out of there. I love using up paint. Makes room for more. Shh. I didn't say that. My gloves are sparkling from the last pour. Okay. Some black mixed up here. Since these have been sitting, these 2 here, I'm going to put 1 drop of silicone in each one of those. It's been a while since I did the Arteza review, so I did get my Deco Art box today of products to try. They sent me, so we'll be playing with those soon. Just spraying my cups with the WD-40. And this is the can I use, the black can. You can buy those at Walmart or any automotive store, actually. Okay. I want to start with a little bit of white, not a lot. Enough to use this up. How's that sound? Okay. Another one. Yay. Okay, so I'm going to go with the yellow ochre next. And the gold. And the orange, just a little bit. I'm not going to get to use it up. And follow that with the red ochre. Okay, now I want some black. This black seems very thick, which is good. It'll push its way through. Alright, so then I'm going to go with the olive green. I love olive green, black, and gold together. I don't know why I like olive green so much. I must go back to my teenage years when we wore the army pants, the khaki pants. No, boy, I'm dating myself. I was back in the 70s. Whew. Okay, so I'm going to put a little more gold in there. I don't want it too Halloween-y. Alright, here comes the cobalt blue. And I guess back to the black. So I put anything else on there, I'm going to get a weird color. And these will get a little stir. Use this one. So I'm just going to do a star. And all it's doing is mixing the colors inside the cup. It's not touching this black at all. So I'm going to just top it with just a little bit of gold. Okay. I'm not going to put this black too far away because I may need it to touch up some spots. All right, let's get pouring. There's not a lot of action going on in this cup, which is good. I'd rather see the action on the canvas. There's that darn white. Ooh, that's pretty. I get so excited. I'm glad I'm doing 3 cups because I just did a little boo-boo here. I don't like that. But we can fix it. That's so pretty. That red ochre and that cobalt, metallic cobalt, and the splendid gold, and even that orange with the olive green, that just blended so well in there. Let's see if you can see it. Isn't that cool? I like it. Okay, let me give it a torch. Get rid of some air bubbles. I've got cups everywhere for some reason. I guess I'm going to clean my studio tomorrow. Okay, let's move it around. I'm going to dump that white off that corner first, but I want to mix these in together. Yeah, I definitely need to clean my studio. My torch had a home. Now it's homeless. I don't want to lose that cell action going on there. This one I don't care about. Come on, black. You had silicone. Let the colors through. I had some interesting stuff, but it's just like selling up now and you can't even see the definition. Oh, I got a big gap there. I need to put a mirror in front of me so I can see if my edges are covered. Mental note, put up mirror and rack. I bought one of those over the sink shelves, and I have it here. I don't know if you can see it in the video. It's the black shelf, and I have all my bottles of Creative Inspirations paint up there, and none of them have silicone in them. I was playing with those for the bottle bottom pours I need to make my granddaughter paintings for her room because I'm going to New York in June, so I want to make sure I have a painting for her, 2 or 3. Okay. Do I want to get rid of this? Gosh, I'm going to lose that. But it's just a big gob of black there. Let me see if I can get something to come up through it before I dump it. I'm really digging this color combo. Nothing. It's just so thick. That black was too thick. I should have thinned it down with some Floetrol. I don't like to add water to my paint. I don't mind adding water to my background paint when I'm doing flip and drags. Because it's just negative space. But when I'm painting, I don't like water in my paint. It breaks the binder down. And you run the risk of your paint peeling off your canvas if you get it too much water in there. Okay. Now I see some little teeny cells coming up through there. That's kind of cool. Oh, sure. Now it's selling up. After I dumped half of it off. Ugh. All right, one more torch. So while you're here, click on the subscribe button. Hit that little bell next to it, and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Links below are for my Facebook page and my Etsy shop and my Amazon shopping store. It's called an influencer page, so most of the products I use are on there. Anything that I purchase from Amazon for paint pouring is on there. So even the washing machine trays, the airbrush, the torch, the cups, the sticks, the squirt bottles, paint, lots of stuff, liner bottles, all kinds of goodies. I think I got a bare spot there. I keep seeing white. Yep. So check it out. Just click on that link and go check it out. You might see something there that you want that you haven't been able to find. Or you might see something there that I have at a cheaper price. Because I really shop. When I shop, I'm looking for low prices. And everything that's on there I've already bought. And I was not disappointed with any of it. So it all works great. This is definitely going to develop overnight. I can see stuff coming up through here now that was not there. I probably should torch it one more time because this gold is starting to sink. My torch needs a refill. This is pretty. Even with that big patch of white in the middle, it's still pretty. So let me give you a peek. Of course, that gold and stuff's going to come up through that white overnight. But there's just gorgeous cells everywhere. Just loving it. I love this little teeny trail of cells there. It's cool. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Stay tuned. We've got many, many more coming up. Also, just a heads up, My birthday's coming up, and I'm going to be running a huge sale in my Etsy shop. So if you're looking at a certain painting from a video, make sure you favorite it, because when it goes on sale, I think it's going to be 20% off. I may do 25. I haven't decided yet, but I'm going to celebrate my birthday with y'all, and we're going to have one heck of a sale. So until then, until next time, next pour, I will see you on the next one. Bye now.